Hi guys, this is Jerry Garrettson, Tabea Law. Today I'm going to step away from the green card series that we're in and go into, I just want to touch on the K1 Fiancée Visa. And so before I do that, just want to remind you that I'm here to be your partner, your guide to the world of immigration. Please subscribe. Please hit the notification button so you can be notified of new videos that come your way. And also, if you like what you're watching here, go ahead and like me. Okay, so that's it for that. So let's go ahead and jump right into the K1 visa. So these are for people that have not been married yet. So if you're already married, then forget K1. You're not a fiance no more. You can't do it. Okay. So first of all, you have to be unmarried, right? And when I say unmarried, it doesn't mean that you've had a marriage that you never had a divorce, or the person's not died, or if you're legally still married, then you can't do a fiancé visa. You have to be unmarried. All right. And you have to be a U.S. citizen if you're going to sponsor your future spouse. So you can't be a green card holder. You have to be a U.S. citizen. So those two items have to be there. You have to be unmarried, and they have to be unmarried. Okay, and you have to be a U.S. citizen for you to sponsor your fiance. Okay, so what's a fiancé visa? It is a way to get the foreign immigrant to come to the United States for the purposes of you getting married. So when they get here, then you get married, and that's serious business now, because you got 90 days to get married. So you want to have all your plans set up. You want to be ready to get married, because if you get married in 91 days or 92 or 95, it's no good. It's no good. And the requirement is within that 90 days, you must get married. So the fiance, foreign immigrant, will, after you fill out all the paperwork and go through that, which right now the wait time is about 7, 8, 9 months. But once the U.S. citizen sponsors the fiance, they come out, you get married within 90 days. Okay, now you're married. Okay. Part two is now the fiance, he or she's not a fiance anymore, right? They're married. You just got married within that 90 days. Now you can go to step two, which means that it's a spouse of a U.S. citizen now, right? Because you got married. So the next step, get her or him a green card. Because now that they're married to a U.S. citizen, well, we got immediate family, we got family-based green card, and you're a spouse, so you qualify. And so now you start the process of filling out your I-485. And if you plan on working, you'll want to get your work permit, your I-765. You can fill that out. And right now it's about 5-6 months before you get that. But the green cards are taking about a year or longer. And if you want to travel during that period, you're going to do your I-131. So all that stuff happens in the second step. The first step is getting the foreign immigrant here, the fiance. And then what you're doing is the U.S. citizen is making that fiance not a fiance no more, because you're getting married within the first 90 days. Now it's your spouse. Once that person is your spouse, then you can go part two and go ahead and apply for the green card. All right. Thank you so much. Let me go ahead and read this real quick. The Bible says, and God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And the evening and the morning were the sixth day. Thank you so much. And again, if you like this video, go ahead and like it. If you want to hear more about it, go ahead and hit the notification bell, and please subscribe. All right. Thank you so much. We'll be back on the green card probably next time we meet, unless I come up with something else I want to talk about. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.